alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends, I am going to present here the idea of Suratul Alaq. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Iqra bismi rabbikal ladhi khalaq, khalaqal insana min alaq. Iqra wa rabbukal akram, alladhi allama bil qalam, allamal insana ma lam ya'lam. Sadaqallahu aliyul alim. This surah begins with a command to read or recite the emphasis of importance of knowledge, education, and the power of written word. The surah Al-Alaq concludes with the reminders Allah's omniverse and inability of accountability in hereafter. The surah Al-Alaq encapsulates the Islamic principle. Surah Al-Alaq teaches profound lessons about importance of knowledge and education, recognition Allah as the creator, condemnation of arrogance and rejection of truth, accountability and divine oversight, and encouraged to preserve in faith. Here are the essential lessons in Surah Al-Alaq. First one is encouraged to preserve in faith. The Surah Al-Alaq one is encourage to preserve in faith. Surah Al-Alaq encourage believers to preserve faith and committed to the path of righteousness. Second one is importance of knowledge and education. The Surah Al-Alaq begins with the command to read, which means Iqra. Highlight the importance of knowledge and education in Islam. The first revolution, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam emphasized acquiring knowledge is a fundamental aspect of faith. Surah Al-Alaq also mentioned the use of pen, symbolizing the using of writing and documenting knowledge. Third one is condemnation of arrogance and rejection of truth. In latter words of Surah Al-Alaq addresses the arrogant, those who reject the divine guidance and obstruct the path of righteousness. Fourth one is accountability and divine oversight. The Surah Al-Alaq also mention Allah's overlooking of us and individuals will be held accountable for their deeds. The main message of Surah Al-Alaq is the significance of knowledge, acknowledgement of recognition Allah's creator, and condemnation of arrogance and rejection of truth. It also emphasizes the moral responsibility of believers and encourage to persevere in faith. Surah Al-Alaq primarily underscore the importance of knowledge, education as the divine gift other, from other creation. Human is the best creation. Let me conclude my words by saying Wahir Dawati Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.